Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom in. Right now, most creators are using AI like a toy. They open a chatbot, ask for a script, copy it, and hope it works. But the real advantage isn't in using one AI tool. It's in building an AI system. Today, I'm going to show you how I built a 4-part AI content team that handles research, scripting, visuals, and automation without hiring anyone. Think of this like hiring 4 AI employees, one for research, one for writing, one for visuals, and one for automation. Individually, they're useful. Together, they replace an entire workflow. Let's break it down. First, research. Most creators waste hours switching between Google tabs, blogs, and YouTube videos. Instead, I use Perplexity AI. It gives structured answers with citations in seconds. Instead of hunting for information, I get summarized insights and verified sources immediately. This cuts research time by at least 60 to 70%. And more importantly, it improves clarity before I even start writing. Good content starts with good inputs. Next, scripting. For structure and refinement, I use ChatGPT, not to blindly generate scripts, but to refine hooks, stress test ideas, improve clarity, shorten explanations. The key is direction. If you give weak prompts, you get weak output. But when you already have strong research, this becomes an accelerator, not a replacement for thinking. This is where most creators use AI wrong. They outsource thinking instead of enhancing it. Now, visuals, thumbnails, background assets, visual storytelling. Instead of hiring a designer for every idea, I use Mid-Journey. I generate thumbnail concepts in minutes. Different styles, different angles, different moods. This speeds up testing, and speed is leverage. Because in content, iteration beats perfection. AI visuals allow you to test ideas before investing serious production time. Finally, automation. Because if everything depends on you manually moving files, it's not scalable. That's where Zapier comes in. I connect tools together. For example, when I finalize a script, it gets saved automatically. When research is complete, it logs into my content dashboard. When ideas are generated, they're organized without manual work. Automation turns random AI usage into an actual system. And systems scale. If you're serious about building leverage in 2026, stop asking, what AI tool should I try? Start asking, what system am I building? Tools change, interfaces evolve, new models drop every month, but systems compound. If you're building your own AI content stack, drop a comment with the role you're automating first: research, scripting, visuals, or distribution. And if you want breakdowns of tools that actually fit into scalable workflows, not hype, subscribe. This is iScope. We don't chase tools, we evaluate systems. See you in the next build.